In front of me is Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Adaptive Brightness shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, my shortcut is white with an orange icon on it. This means that auto brightness is on. To switch it off, tap on the same shortcut until it's gray. If you want to, you can also go into settings and tap on display and brightness. Then use this switcher next to adaptive brightness to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!